Suppose that 30% of all Americans believe in alien life forms and you're going to select 60 people at random. We want to know the probability that less than 45% of those selected believe in aliens. This is a proportion problem where we're given the proportion within the population as being 30%, so our population proportion P is equal to 0.3. We're looking at selecting 60 people, so we have a sample size of n equal to 60. And what we're asked to find the probability of is that those selected have a less than 45%. Those selected are our sample, so we're asked a question about the sample proportion, which we denote as p hat. So we want the probability that p hat is less than 0.45. Now as long as multiplying n times p and n times 1 minus p give you at least 10, then we know that p hat is normally distributed. And so we can change this into a z. We do so by subtracting the mean of p hat, which is p, here 0.3, and dividing by the standard error, which is the square root of p 0.3 times 1 minus p over n. So we'll do that to the number also. Subtract 0.3, divide by the square root of 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3 over n. So we now have a z, since we've standardized, and the number that we get here is less than 2.54. So we can go into our normal table and look for 2.54 to give us our probability. So here is the 2.5 column. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get a probability of 0.9945.